Hello, young artists. I know till now you have searched every nook and corner of your house, right? Yes, you know where all things are kept? So come on, let's make a paper house today. We'll make a house by folding paper. This is known as origami. So take an origami sheet of any color that you like and let's start.
Put your paper upside down. That means the colored side down on the table. Now fold the sheet into half. Bring one side to the other and press the sheet with your fingers. Fold it again into half. Use your finger to press it nicely. Now open it. You'll see a line in the center. This is a crease that you have just made. Now fold one side to this crease, to the line in the center. Press it nicely. Then fold the other side the same way, to the center crease. After that, open one side, put your finger inside, open the flaps and press. You'll get a triangle like this. Let's look at the other side. Open, put your finger inside, open the flaps and press. Ta-da! You have the triangle here also. Now fold one side at the back. Apply little glue there and stick it on your sketch file. You may also stick like this with both the triangles on top. It's your wish how you want to paste your house. Now you may decorate your house as you like. You may draw windows, doors, curtains, trees, plants, whatever you can find at your house. You, your family, your pet, anything. Complete the background and color it nicely. Enjoy!